So I'll give you a bit of thinking time as you think about which one you're going to share during night. So you need your Chromebook, Nani.
Angelina, can you help me?
I think one of the best things about Google Drive for these students is it's very intuitive.
Google Drive is where I keep like all my stuff. It's not hard because you can just press a button and then it brings all these stuff up in.
So you've seen Google Drive before?
No.
So this year was the first time you've used it?
Yeah.
Was it easy to use?
Yes.
Not hard at all?
No.
You weren't confused at all?
No.
They have really, I think, embraced the Chromebooks. The girls open these, they turn on, they've been able to memorise their email addresses, access the Google Triangle icon every time. They find their work easily. They're very experienced now with folders and folderising, and they know how to use recent documents.
They're really creative. They let you do pictures, there's colours at the top, you can pick one and you can be really creative. Chromebooks are, you can make slides and you can put photos on, you can put videos on, you can get photos, you can write your own sentences. To do writing, you just tap the box and then a line might appear. You don't tap the box around it. So when you tap the box and then the line appears, you can type stuff.
You know, insert images, insert videos. I mean, for 7-year-olds, they are very, very capable. So it's been excellent.
It's very simple. All you do is, there's all these little pictures. You click on one, there's pictures. You click on one, there's slides. You click on one, you can make different shapes. All you need to do is just like look for something and click it, and then something will appear, and then you just press something and it will happen.
I think actually at the beginning it was knowing that they didn't have to worry about saving. They were all petrified about that. That was probably one of the downsides of using, you know, a program like Microsoft Word for so long.
So it was just easy to use?
Yeah.
Not confusing at all?
No.
Oh. Do you think people would ever get confused by it?
Maybe.
What would confuse them?
Because they don't know if it will be saved or not.
And is it saved?
Yeah. It gets saved automatically.
We've done a couple of collaborative projects. They've been excellent.
And then we all went into the same project, and then we just got started working on it. Oh, that was really fun, because every time I would finish one picture, I would usually go up to see how everyone else was doing, and then I would go back and work on mine, and a few seconds later I would pop into someone else's and look what they were doing. Like if someone else put something up, I can see what they put up. We couldn't do each other's, we could only have a look at each other's. You couldn't like move anything or change anything because it wouldn't be nice. Then you get to see what other people are working on. Yeah, it gives me ideas. It would be a bit of a squash if we all worked on the same Chromebook.
So the Chromebooks have been an answer to prayer. I mean, we really haven't had any struggles with them.
I like it because you can make slides and you don't always have to. You can make different things and stuff, and you don't always have to make the same thing. I put lots of pictures in, and sometimes I put photos in, and I choose my own slides that I wanted to make. And you can move pictures around and size them and change the colour of the writing. And change the background.
And it's been an exciting time in terms of their technology development this year. There really haven't been any downsides. It's been a very positive experience for everybody.
So you didn't find it confusing?
No.
Do you think an adult could learn to use it?
Yes, very easily. That's it.